next generation of operating room starts with Ultrasuite Climate, going above and beyond current air distribution minimums to improve thermal comfort for surgical staff and patients, reduce airborne particulate, mitigate surgical smoke exposure, and optimize project value with energy savings and a reduction in equipment cost. Ultrasuite Climate optimizes indoor environmental quality by increasing the air change rate in the operating room by up to 3 times the ASHRAE standard 170 minimum of 20 air changes per hour while meeting all other air distribution requirements. The elevated air change rate allows for warmer air to be supplied to the space while still meeting cooling load requirements. At the minimum 20 air changes per hour, the supply airflow over the surgical table is quite cold and tapers significantly, leaving parts of the surgical zone underconditioned. At the higher rate of 60 air changes per hour, supply air is much closer to room temperature, resulting in a wider clean air column that creates a larger sterile working zone and more consistent temperatures throughout the room to improve thermal comfort for staff and reduce the risk of hypothermia for patients. Ultrasuite Climate filters and replaces air as frequently as once every minute to quickly remove surgical smoke and airborne particulate from the operating room. A large, unobstructed laminar array over the patient table reduces particle count within the surgical zone as the air change rate is increased from 20 to 40 to 60 air changes per hour. Ultrasuite Climate makes use of a decentralized fan coil system to improve energy efficiency, provide redundancy, and allow for smaller central HVAC equipment. This approach can reduce overall equipment costs in new construction and can be used to retrofit existing operating rooms without costly changes to the air handling system. Let's take a look at how the system works. First, the minimum fresh air required, 4 air changes per hour, is supplied to the room from the central air handler through a fresh air inlet. Fresh supply airflow and exhaust airflow are managed by a set of airflow control valves that work together to maintain a positive room pressure. The remaining airflow is provided by locally recirculating room air through dedicated fan coil units and HEPA filters. These fan coils provide conditioning for the space and the fan capacity required to reach 60 air changes per hour. Finally, HEPA-filtered airflow is supplied to the operating room through a laminar array that provides a column of clean airflow over the patient table. Ultrasuite Climate goes above and beyond current air distribution minimums to improve thermal comfort, reduce airborne particulate, mitigate surgical smoke exposure, and optimize project value. For more information on how to include Ultrasuite Climate in your next project, please visit our website at priceultrasuite.com.